at Srinathji Nathdwara, and we family have come here to do darshan. And this is my nani's house. She has a house in Srinathji, and you can see the mandir from here. I'll show you the house now, and I'm going to take a tour around Srinathji, and I'm going to show you the chopati and the food and everything I can show you. So have a look at the vlog, guys. It's going to be a great vlog. Nani bought this house a couple of years back, and since then we have been staying here instead of any hotel. And some people stay like this is Hotel Pratiksha. They have rooms above, but we stay on the first floor over here. And the vibe here is very nice. The mandir is here. You could even see a Murti of Shiv, the one of the biggest Murti of Shivs in the world. But this building is blocking it now. If I get a time, I'll go there in my car, in the car we have, and show you the mandir over there. Guys, this used to be the old door which is now broken because they want to extend, and this building didn't exist a couple of years back, and this was made. And Govind Bhai, who helps us to do darshan, he has his shop right here. Guys, this is his shop. The full shop. I can't show you the inside because some of the paintings are very rare. And this is the Sharbat house. I've been drinking this Sharbat since like 18 years. These are one of my favorite Sharbat, and the white one is such a good one that I can't stop drinking it. Guys, just look at his work, the way he works, the way he paints, the way he decorates everything. Everything is so beautiful. I've known him since I was not even born. And Govind Bhai's father and my great grandfather were best friends, and they used to share and eat from one plate. The prasad and the thali which we used to get here. All these shops are for decoration of the Lord Krishna Bhagwan, or Lala as you just say in my native language. I was not allowed to shoot this, but just I want to shoot this board. This is the board for Vithalnathji Mandir of Nathdwara, and photography is not allowed, and it is one of the oldest mandirs in India. Guys, this is a Sudarshanji which is always on top of Shiji Baba, and he has been protecting since protecting the mandir as well as the god since the mandir was built. And Govind Bhai's son and me have been playing like since we were children, and I used to come here and I used to sit here always. Like, this is a very nostalgic place for me. So this thing you just saw, the man ringing the bell, was an indication that 1 hour is up, and every hour of the day he just rings it, so we know that there's some time and the darshan will be open soon. So there are 5 darshans because of the COVID situation, otherwise there are actually 8, and it is very organized now. Everything is online, everything is booked online, but this guy Govindji books everything so perfectly. We get to do VIP darshan from ahead, and there are 4,000 to 5,000 and more people in every darshan, and it is packed, jam packed. But when you come here, you forget everything. There's no crowd, there's nothing. You just come for the god, which is a very beautiful thing. This is one of the most famous ice cream person who has been standing here since 50 years. Like, this is the street that leads you to the main temple, and in the evening I show you this place where you get the best kachoris in Srinathji. Guys, me and Dwanit are going to Chopati, which is a place you get different types of food: pav bhaji, dosa, idli. This is the place where you get kachori, yummy kachoris. So guys, wearing a mask here is mandatory, and all these streets are very nostalgic for me because when I was small I used to buy different types of keychains, different types of food, different types of sodas and whatnot. I used to have a time of my life, and even now I'm doing that. I'm going to have one of the most tasty food. I don't know if it's too much hygienic, but you can let go sometimes. In the middle of Chopati, as you can see, there are many people having food here. Makes very tasty sandwiches here, and we can even sit here like आराम से. मुझे ये जगह इतनी पसंद है. I can come here anytime and sit alone. But Johannes was volunteering to come, so we both have come. He's going to get some soft drink, and I'm going to wait for my sandwich. I just got done with lunch. I had some thandai, had some sandwiches, and I'm full already. I'm staying up for dinner today because we'll have some roti sabzi at the Hotel Vrinda, and even the staff knows me. All the staff knows me there. Guys, I can't help the noises behind, the scooter noises, people screaming, people calling you to sell their products. It's never silent here, guys. It's never silent. So guys, that's the end of the vlog. There's going to be a part 2 of the Srinachi vlog, which is very interesting. It's about the Gaushala, and it was one of the best Gaushalas in Nathdwara. So stay tuned for the next vlog, guys, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Travel Brat Vlogs. Thank you.